Good morning, everybody. This is what happened today. I built this road up a foot over the culvert, or more over the culvert. And this is what's happening today. We got so much rain, my culvert's flooded. Look at that. So, I don't think it's going to hurt my road any. It doesn't look like it's moved anything. But that's a lot of water. They say it's supposed to stop at 2 o'clock and it's, I don't know, 10. Hopefully it slows down. This is just stone right here, so should be fine. The water is a couple inches deep over here. But like I said, I brought it up a foot. That is something. Look at that. We are in a flood. Wow. That's amazing. And I figured I brought it up high enough. Yeah. That's something, boy. Never seen so much water. This cheer is amazing. I lined stones up right here, too. A wall of them. Still one over that. Culvert, I'm not going over there. Culvert's right there. Oh. This is just weird, isn't it? Upstate New York. And I don't think we got an inch of rain. Or two, maybe, I don't know. They said a half, but it looks like way more than that. All right. Like my video, subscribe, share, comment. Have a nice day. Bye now.